Never ever lose power again. If you have the GoldenMate Lithium Ion UPS battery backup and surge protector, you don't have to worry about it. Let's face it, folks, honestly, you never really know when the power will go out, right? There's lots of storms and natural disasters these days, and there's hurricanes and tornadoes, and well, it goes on. And we all want to protect our sensitive devices and remain productive throughout our day and night, right? Well, you can, thanks to the GoldenMate. It's real easy to set up. Just plug it in and push the power button. You're all set, and then plug in up to 8 devices all at once. So for demonstration purposes, today I have plugged in 2, 4, 6 different devices. As you can see, they're powered on. I have my coffee pot, because you always need fresh coffee when the power goes out. I have a tire pump being charged. I also have my smartphone plugged in, which is being charged. My shaver is being charged, and a teapot. Oh, and also, down below, I do have charging a robot vacuum cleaner. All of this is tied in today right up to the GoldenMate. Going to unplug the GoldenMate from the power source. The robot vac is still charging. The cell phone is charging. The razor's being charged. The coffee pot's plugged in. My tire pump is being charged, and my coffee pot is alive and well, ready to make some coffee. And now, here is the panel of the GoldenMate while it's powering everything and unplugged from the power source. Going to plug it back in. And now it's plugged back in. 118 input, 33 watts, output 118, 16 watts of output. And remember, with everything plugged in here, I still have 2 remaining outlets available for 2 more devices. So now, even if there's a storm and the power is out, you can keep living and working. And that's why I got mine. There's a great cooling system in it too. So whether you want to protect or power all your TVs, laptops, smartphones, PCs, the GoldenMate can handle it. It gives you great peace of mind too. And it offers surge protection too for all your devices, anything that's plugged in. It's all in here. A personal story, one power outage, I lost several electronic devices and I had to put in a homeowner's insurance claim. What a hassle. I lost computers, my TV, and it was costly too. But now, I don't worry about those things anymore. The internal LiFePO4 lithium ion phosphate batteries are dynamic. They're rechargeable lithium ion batteries offering sine wave power for enhanced safety, stability, and long lifespan. Smooth, continuous, clean, stable power for your sensitive electronics when compared to regular traditional lithium-ion batteries. The GoldenMate delivers for you 1,000 VA or volt amperes power and 800 watts too, all to effectively address common electrical issues like power outages, high and low voltage, voltage drops, damping shocks, high voltage pulses, voltage fluctuations, and surges. You can enjoy an amazing 10 years lifespan, and the batteries can be deep cycled over 5,000 plus recharges. So, whether you want to power or protect your sensitive electronic devices, this GoldenMate gives you great peace of mind for you and your family and your devices. It's all here. So get yours today and be ready for any power outage or emergency situation. Get it on Amazon by visiting GoldenMate Store. Protect you, your family, and your devices.